Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to connect multiple apps using Zapier. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to connect multiple apps in Zapier, it involves creating zaps, which are automated workflow composed of a trigger and one or more actions. Now all you gotta do is simply go and tap open your Zapier. Now, once you're logged in into your Zapier, all you gotta do is simply create a new Zap. Tap on Zap, and once you simply tap on Zap, you need to set up the trigger. Once you have simply choose your trigger, that can be your Google Sheets, email, Drive, or something. You need to now connect the account, like sign in into your account by giving the app, account, and trigger event. After this is done, you can also select action according to your preference. You can simply connect multiple apps like Trello, Slack, and stuff and choose the action event. Once you have connected the account, you can customize the action according to your choice, and you can simply have multiple apps connected using Zapier. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.